happy post Thanksgiving. Today you guys are going to watch me cut up my basil plant on the bottom in my arrow garden. And my mother-in-law, she gave me this cool little thing. It's called Prepara, and it's a great spot to save your herbs. So you open it up, you put your herbs inside here, you close it, it has a nice little, you hear a little snap, you know that's when it's secured. And then in the back, you add a little bit of water on the bottom, and this is gonna keep your herbs 3 times more fresher. Okay, so I'm just gonna snip a little bit from the top, only because I'm also growing thyme, I'm growing some savory, I have some parsley in here, and I kind of want them to all grow at the same time. And as we know, basil grows fast. So I'm gonna clip off the top so that I can save it inside of my special herb saver, the Prepara. And I like to cut from an angle. Everything I've learned from my mother-in-law. She has taken the time to really teach me how to groom my plants, how to feed my family using things at home. And I'm not gonna take that many off. I'm just gonna take off a little bit just so that I can lower down my light so that the rest of my herbs are planting well. Oh, this is also from Amazon. This is fabulous. You need to buy yourself correct gardening clippers because it's very useful. You'll see up here I'm growing some rosemary. I might clip a little bit of rosemary and stick it inside here too, just to keep it a little fresh. On the bottom, we bought a Thanksgiving combo. This is kind of really cool because it has rosemary, it has thyme, it has basil, and because we have it situated right next to our arrow garden, it's very easy for this trio of herbs to get enough light. And we also situated right by a window just so that our taller plants like the rosemary bush and our tomatoes and mini jalapenos have a chance to get more sun, mainly because we did buy a smaller arrow garden without realizing that this one might need to be grown in a larger one. But thank you so much for checking in. Again, I will post a link for this on Amazon, and we purchased our arrow gardens on Amazon along with these clippers, and they were a great deal. And right now we have Cyber Monday coming up, so this would be a great time for you guys to go ahead and make that purchase. Okay, before I do this, I want to cut off just a little bit of my rosemary so I can add in there as well. Only because in the back it is getting kind of older and my husband uses it every single day. So I want to make sure that the back actually still can be utilized if I cut them off today. And again, we are going to use the rosemary today because the ones in the front, you'll see they're still good, but the ones in the back are getting a little on the harsher side. Okay. Now, looking at the directions, I know they said to go ahead and put your basil, put your rosemary on the bottom like this, and then you have to wait for a click. Then we are going to walk over to the sink over here, just so that I can fill up the bottom. And you're only going to put just a little bit of water. Actually, I'm going to use my fridge water, only because it's filtered. So let me fill up a glass. My mother-in-law only uses bottled water, but unfortunately, we have quite a few members in our household. There's 5 of us, and we actually go through water bottles like crazy. So I wouldn't use it for my plants, but once my older ones transition out the house and we have more income to use it, we are definitely going to go strictly water bottles. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.